tenant move-outs. So this is as important for you as it is for them. You need to know if your property is about to turn. So we will send a 90-day notice alerting them that the lease is coming up for renewal, if there's any intention to raise the rent, any changes to that lease, etc., right, etc. At that point, that is their time to decide if they're going to stay and if they're going to move. If they alert you that they are planning on leaving, this is where you're going to be scheduling a walkthrough prior to them moving out. That is not your security deposit walkthrough, because obviously they might do damage when they are moving out. This is to see, is there any major damage that's going to require repair that you need to be aware of well before they move out, so you can be putting your vendors in place. So let's say you will do a walkthrough, and for some reason someone had their mom living in a property and they destroyed the bathroom. I mean, it's not like a clean job, it's a big job. Well, that might be 3 weeks, out for my contractor to be able to do. If I find that out after they leave, I'm immediately going to be pushing out into the next month before I can rent this place. If I can get in there early to be able to, know that, I can get a lot more of a plan and have a lot more of a game plan to avoid vacancy down the road. Once they are out of that property, I will then, or have my team walk through to do the security deposit inspection, basically an overall inspection of the property. And we are going to be looking at things that we weren't able to look at before, which is preventative maintenance. So we'll be looking at gutters and wood rot, the deck, if there is one, like way beyond, because at that point we may need to be making some maintenance on the behalf of the owner to keep the property up in shape. So those are some good things as the person is leaving you can do. There is another video you can watch of mine that talks about security deposit and how that's handled. But if there is a claim or deciding if there needs to be one, that is done at that second walkthrough and inspection. The documentation and the SOP, standard operating procedure, of what you're going to be looking at during that inspection, it's taken us a long time to perfect that. There's a lot of things that go on it. The best thing I can tell you is reach out to a local property manager, or if you are a property management company and you want to reach out to us, I don't mind. I'd be happy to share with you what we do and some of the more fine details that we've added that make a huge difference. We're always happy to help any way we can, whether it's a consumer or a company. We're here. Message us. I'm always happy to talk. Thanks.